Alright, the Zippo delivery truck just dropped off a couple of packages, and let's take a quick look at what was delivered, at least one of them. Okay, this one comes in the normal Zippo black box, and the label on this one is Disco Ball. Should be a flashy one, and it is. Normal Zippo insert, made in Bradford, PA. Alright, now this one is on a high polish chrome, well actually they call it the Spectrum base. You can see how it changes color. I can see green and purple and a little bit of red and orange in there. High polish chrome, so it's going to take a lot of fingerprints. But that is the Disco Ball. Pretty flashy Zippo. Lights up just fine, and this one was manufactured in, looks like E of 12. And you can see the colors changing on the bottom like that. Pretty flashy Zippo. I'm going to put it in my bling, the bling part of my collection. Go right there for now. There's a couple of my flashier Zippos. And it sounded like somebody said we need more cowbell. There you go, more cowbell. Knuckle bump.